हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू रोन यूट्यूब चैनल यूरोन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव ब्रॉट टू यू द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द ISC लेसन विच इज taught in the ICSE schools in the +2 section, that is in the 11th standard, that is the ISC board. The name of the lesson is paper managery. Here I was explaining to my students, so I thought why not to share the explanation with my YouTube audience as well. So let's proceed with the explanation. So the paper managery by Ken Liu. One of my earliest memories starts with me sobbing. I refused to be soothed no matter what Mom and Dad tried. So the protagonist of the story is a little boy Jack, who is recalling his childhood memories. One of the days when he was crying a lot, and his mother and father both were trying to soothe him, to comfort him, but somehow he was not being soothed, he was not being comforted, and he kept on crying. Dad gave up and left the bedroom, but Mom took me into the kitchen. So Dad gave up. Generally the fathers are impatient, so he lost all hope that the child will be comforted by him. So he went out of the room. He couldn't bear his crying anymore. But mothers are regarded as very much patient, so she kept patience with the child and she tried to comfort and soothe the child. But Mom took me into the kitchen and sat me down at the breakfast table. So the mother took the child at the breakfast table and she tried to comfort the child. Can, look, she said, and as she pulled a sheet of wrapping paper. So she said, look, come, I'll make you something. She was trying to please the child, to comfort the child, to make him feel soothed. So she pulled out a piece of paper from on top of the fridge. For years, Mom carefully sliced opened the wrappings around Christmas gifts. So it's been years that Mom used to keep, that Jack's mother, that is protagonist's mother, she used to keep all the wrapping, all the gift wraps that they used to receive, the gift wraps of the Christmas. So during the Christmas time, the gift wraps that she used to receive, she used to keep it safely stacked up or piled up on top of the fridge. So one of the wrapping papers she pulled out. On top of the fridge she sat the paper down, plain side facing up. So the plain side was facing upwards, and began to fold it, and she tried to fold it. I stopped crying and watched her curious. So she stopped crying. The boy stopped crying and watched her curious, and he was very much curious. He stopped crying and he was very much curious that what the mother was trying to make. She turned the paper over and folded it again. She turned the paper upward, over and fold it again. So that piece of paper she took and she was trying to fold it again and again. She pleated, packed, tugged, rolled and twisted until the paper disappeared. So she was trying to make out something out of that paper. She was trying to make out something of that paper. So she pleated it, packed it, tugged it, rolled and twisted until the paper disappeared between her cupped hands. So this is called as the cupped hands. So that paper became so small that because she was folding the paper again and again, and she was trying to make some figure out of it, so the paper folded into something very small, turned out into something small. Then she lifted the folded paper packet to her mouth and blew into it like a balloon. So whatever the figure that she made out of that paper, she tried to blew some air, like blew the paper like a balloon. She said, "Now look, a tiger." So she was a Chinese lady. The mother was Chinese and the father was American. So in her Chinese language she said, she said, "Lo, look, a tiger. Look, Lao, that is look what I have made out of this. This is a tiger." She put her hands down on the table and let go. So she put her hands down on the table and let go. But she kept it on the table and allowed it to go. A little paper tiger stood on the table, the size of 2 feet placed together. A little paper tiger. So what it turned out to be, a paper tiger that she made. A little paper tiger stood on the table, the size of 2 feet placed together. So the size of 2 feet means 2 feet if kept together. So the paper was of this size, and when it was folded, so it turned out to be into a paper tiger. The skin of the tiger was the pattern of the wrapping paper. So the skin of the tiger, because it was made of a packing paper, isn't it? This paper tiger was made of a packing paper. So the stripes that were already there on the packing paper became the skin of the tiger. Skin of the tiger. White background with red candy cans and green Christmas tree. So with white background, wrapping paper, white background with red candy cans So it was a completely white background with red candy cans, there's something drawn on it, and green Christmas trees. So it was a Christmas wrapping paper describing the paper. I reached out to mom's creation. Its tail twitched. So he started, he fell in love with the figure made by the mother. He fell in love with the figure made by the mother with the paper. So I reached out to mom's creation. Its tail twitched and it pounced playfully at my finger. So when he twitched its tail, when the boy twitched the tail of the paper tiger, then it pounced playfully at my finger. Rosa, it growled. Its tail twitched and it pounced playfully at my finger. Rosa, it growled the sound somewhere between a cat and rustling newspapers. Pounced playfully at my finger. Rosa, it growled, and the sound somewhere between a cat and a rustling newspaper. So the sound was, that is the gift wrapping paper, and the sound made by the paper, like between a cat. So that was a kind of sound being made. That is the sound being made by the paper figure is being described here. I laughed, startled, and stroked its back. So the child became very happy, though he was crying. He was a little while he was crying, and when the mother made a paper figure out of it, so he became very happy and he started laughing and started being cheerful and started playing with that paper menagerie. I laughed, startled, and stroked its back with my index finger. So it started cuddling the paper tiger. The paper tiger vibrated under my finger, purring. The paper tiger vibrated under my finger, purring. So when he was just twitching it, so it moved. The paper tiger moved forward. Zhe Jiao Zezi, mom said, this is called origami. So the mother explained, what is this paper figure called? The mother explained to the child that this paper figure or this paper toy that she made, it is called origami. She explained it to the child. Okay, I'll stop here since it's a long lesson. So I'll give you part by part explanation so that it will be comfortable and easy for you to understand also. I hope things are clear to you, paragraphs and words are clear to you. If not, please do let me know in the comment section so that I can clarify your doubts, and I'll upload the next part of the story in the next video. See you soon in the next video. And yes, of course, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Bye bye.